What is the safest way to get money from a land sale? Okay. What is the safest way to get money from a land sale? By far, without a doubt, the 100% safest way to get money from a land sale is to go through a traditional title and escrow company, but just not any title and escrow company. You're going to have to find one that is experienced in closing vacant land deals. Okay. So this is the process. You and the seller are going to sign a purchase agreement. You are going to send that purchase agreement to a title and escrow company. What they will do is they will essentially do a background check and search that property for any clouds, liens, encumbrances, et cetera, just to make sure that that property has clean title, or what they refer to it in the real estate industry is marketable title. Okay. Once they go ahead and they close that out and the deal closes, what they will do is they will go ahead and either do one or two things. They will either cut you a check, or what they can do is go ahead and transfer money essentially to your bank account. Okay. But by far, that is the safest way. So when you're dealing with a title and escrow company, make sure that they are land friendly. Don't just go with any closing agent or closing attorney for the simple fact that that's what they are. Go with someone who is experienced in closing vacant land. Trust me, you'll save yourself a lot of time and headache and whatnot. Okay. So if y'all found value in this video, please click the like button. Also share it with family and friends. And if you want more information, check out the link below. Take care. Have a good one.